Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our worksheet related to angles. Okay, it's worksheet 1, angles on a straight line. Let's start our worksheet. Question number 1. In each of the following diagrams, AOB is a straight line. Find the unknown angles. Okay, so let's start part A. Part A is AOB is a straight line and the angle given is 117. The unknown angle is T. So we have to find out the angle T. As we did in the work it out, that the sum of the angle on the straight line is equal to what? 180 degree. So what we have to do? We have to find out angle T. So we will write 180 degree minus 170. So when we will subtract 180 subtract 117, then 10 minus 7 3. What left? 7 here. 7 minus 1 6. So 110. So it means the angle T is equal to what? 63 degree. Okay, now move on to part B. Okay, part B is like AOB, again the straight line, and now the angle is mentioned over here is 17 degree and the unknown angle is U. So we have to find out the angle U. Again what we have to do? We have to subtract 17 from the total of the angle that will on a straight line, that will be 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 17 degree. So what will our answer when we have to subtract 180 and 17? Subtract, then again 10 3, 7 here 7 minus 1 6. So it will, and then 1 we have to carry down. So it will become angle U is equal to what? 163 degree. Okay, now move on to part C. Part C is again a line AOB, and now two angles are given, 30 degree and 43 degree. The unknown angle is V. So we have to find out V. So what we have to write now? Total of all the sum of the angles on a line, 180 degree minus 30 degree, then minus 43 degree. Okay, when we will subtract 30 from 180, what we will get? 0 8 3 5 150. So it will become 150 degree minus 43 degree. Then 43 degree we have to subtract 10 4 here, then 7. Okay, 4 0, then 1. It will become angle V is equal to what? 107 degree. Okay, now move on to part D. Okay, part D is line AOB. Okay, the angle given is 55 degree, unknown angle is W, but there is also one angle is mentioned. Remember in work it out, I told you that whenever there is a block, there is the angle like this, it always represent what? It represent 90 degree. Okay, so what we have, we have now? We have two angles, 55 degree and then 90 degree. So we will start our question. 180 degree minus 55 degree, then 90 degree. So when we will subtract 55 from 180, then the answer will 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 5 2, and then 1. So it will become what? 125 degree minus 90 degree. Now we have to subtract minus, we have to subtract 90. So 5 come as it is, 12 minus 9, it will become 3. So the angle is 35 degree. Okay, now move on to part E. Part E is AOB and the angle mentioned are 75 degree and 80 degree. Same, we have to do 180 degree minus 75 degree minus 80 degree. So what we will get when subtract 75 from 180, we will get 5 0 1, and then again we have to subtract 80. So we will add 1 0 5 degree minus 80. So it will become what? 5 here, 10 minus 8, 2. So it will become 25 degree. Okay, now come to part F. And part F is line AOB and the angle mentioned is 30 degree, and again a square, a box is here. It meant that there is an angle that is 90 degree. So it will become what? 180 degree minus 30 degree minus 90 degree. So we will subtract 180 degrees minus 90. Then we will get what? Okay, we are doing 90 first. So it will become what? 0. 18 minus 9, 9. So what left is? Here left is 90 degree minus 30 degree. When you subtract 30 from 90, what we will get? 60. So the angle Y is equal to 60 degree. Now come to part G, that is the last part of the worksheet. And here the angle, again the line AOB is mentioned and two angles are given. 30, 15 degree, not 2 but 3. Here is again a box, it means it is 90 degree. Okay, so how many angles are given? 3 angles are given, and Z we have to find out. So we will write 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 30 degree and minus 15 degree. When we will subtract 90 from 180, we will get 90. Okay, then it will become 90 minus 30 minus 15. Then we will subtract 30. What left is 60. So we will get 60 minus 15. So when we subtract 15, we will get 10 minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. So angle Z is equal to 45 degree. So this is the last part of your worksheet. In the next video, we will move on to work it out that is related to the angles at a point. Okay, follow me in the next video.